All right, we're here at LandShark Bar and Grill right here on the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk, right at the ocean.
You never know about this Myrtle Beach weather. Good thing we didn't sit out there in the sun.
It's nice and cool in here.
Yes, it is.
It's burning up.
And an update on my jellyfish sting.
Look, you couldn't see it on the last video.
4 weeks in. It got my leg too.
Guess who's allergic to jellyfish?
This mermaid.
All right, so what'd you order?
The Caribbean salad.
Caribbean salad? I'm getting the sriracha burger. We'll find out if it's good.
It's gonna be way too hot for you. Wow.
Was yours good?
Yeah, mine's delicious hot. What'd she say, Big Box?
I'll say it's good. Okay, just to let everybody know, really hot, but really good. It's a double patty. I wasn't aware. A double patty. So this isn't for vegetarians, meat eaters, carnivores. Well, that was a look at the LandShark right here on the boulevard and on the boardwalk.
Yep.
We thought it was pretty good. The sriracha burger was pretty nice, pretty hot too. So hopefully when you get down here this summer or next summer, you can try and check out the LandShark. Make sure you like and subscribe as we walk down the boardwalk, and as always, keep beaching.